Hi, I'm Melissa Taylor at RodgerandMelissa.com, and today we're going to talk about things that every business owner should know. So let's jump right in. So I'm sure you've probably thought about this because you have a business, but you really need to be clear about your purpose. What is the message? What are the priorities and the values that you have personally that you're bringing out through your business? This is really vital, especially in today's world. A lot of the clients and the customers out there, they want your products, they want your services, but they also want to know what you stand for. With that, you need to understand that when you stand for something and you're projecting your priorities and your values, your mission, if you will, not everyone's going to like that. Not everyone's going to like you, and that's okay. There are plenty of other people out there that will. So your quality of life and the growth of your business, that really depends on how comfortable you feel with uncertainty. We're talking about don't stifle your business because you want to stay in your comfort zone. Real growth starts to happen when you get beyond that. You go into the uncomfortable zone first. The uncomfortable zone, you're stretching your limits, but you still kind of know what to expect. But we want to actually push people beyond that into kind of that unknown zone, that zone that you don't know what's waiting for you. You don't know the opportunities and possibilities out there. And sometimes you just have to let your guard down, push through your fears all the way to the point where you don't know what's going to happen, but you're willing to try. You're willing to seize any opportunity that comes your way. So many business owners, entrepreneurs try to be everywhere. If you spread yourself so thin because you're trying to post on 5 different media platforms, or you're trying to go to, 4 or 5 networking events every single week, you'll never show up fully for anything. You'll be too tired. You'll be run down. You'll be disappointed. So pick a few, maybe 2 social media platforms, if that is your audience, and then pick just a few networking events or groups that you can be involved in so that your impact is significant. Be purposeful, be intentional about where you spend your time so you can show up 100% every time you're there. The next is a simple mind shift. So when things happen, they don't go your way, they don't go as you had planned, make sure that you don't have that attitude of all these things are happening to me. Oh, this is always happening to me. Step back and think, no, this happened for my benefit, this failure or this mistake or whatever it is. It happened for my benefit so I can learn from it and not make that same mistake again, or even come up with a better way to do what I was trying to do in the first place and move forward and scale your business. And here's the last thing. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. There are so many things out there, and there's so many people out there that have probably been where you are right now, or right now, or right now. And you can reach out to those people, ask them for help. So everyone should have a good mentor or coach, even an accountability group, an association that you belong to, a network that you belong to that you can lean on, ask questions, and get some help. Don't reinvent the wheel. So if you found value to this, we love a thumbs up. If you are struggling with one of these things, please comment, because we like to produce valuable content for you. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Subscribe so you don't miss any of those answers to some of the things that you're going to comment on now. Thanks. See you later.